Hey, it's Drew, and today I'll show you how to change your email address or password associated with your WiseStamp account. Let's begin. Start by signing into your WiseStamp account with your current email address and password. Once signed in, go to the profile icon and select Profile. To change your email address, type your new email address to replace the old one in the email field, and click Save Changes. You'll then be asked to enter your password to confirm your new email address, and click Save Changes again. Changing your password is just as easy. Click on the Password field and enter your new password. We require a strong password with a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters for enhanced security. Now confirm your new password and click Save Changes to move on to this authentication step. Enter your old password. Click Save Changes to confirm. Remember to keep these credentials confidential. If you get an error message such as User Not Found, make sure you've entered the correct email address. For troubleshooting or more information, check out our other video tutorials and our Help Center. Thank you for choosing WiseStamp to generate and manage your professional email signatures.